English 1302. I'm going to try to make these videos at the beginning of every module just to give you an idea of what each section or lesson plan will focus on. This Start Here section is basically established just to kind of give you an idea of how I have the course set up. So you can see that there are course folders. There's a course basics folder, a format and submissions information folder, English 1302, What Is It About Anyway? And San Francisco by Amy Hempel. This is where your first assignment for the class is located. So you can see up at the very top that I have a box that just kind of lets you know what this module will cover. And then at the very bottom of that box, it will tell you what assignments are due. What I want you to notice for this particular module is that just because there might be only one assignment or a few assignments that are due in that module does not mean that there's not a lot more reading that needs to take place. So in this particular module, you have 4 folders but only one assignment. It's very tempting, I know, because I remember being a student. It's very tempting to just skip straight to the assignment. Please don't do that. The problem when you do that is you're missing a lot of the content and information that's going to help you do well in the assignments that I have set up for you to do. So when you click in the course basics folder, there's a welcome video, my instructor policies, make sure you read those, and then how you'll be graded in the class. In the format and submission information folder, there's information on plagiarism and most importantly, your course policies for writing and how to set up your paper in MLA format, just in case you've forgotten since English 1301. 1302 is just course description information and what literary analysis is. All of your papers and what you'll be doing in this class is literary analysis. And then the last folder where your assignment is called San Francisco by Amy Hempel. I realize that some of you might not have a textbook yet, so don't worry. You'll notice when you open that folder that I do have a copy of the story and the questions for you. So that way, if you're still waiting on your textbook to come in, you don't have to worry too much because you have access for this first assignment through Blackboard. Okay, I'll also have the answers to the discussion questions that will come available in this folder after the due date. Sorry, my phone is ringing. I think that's it for this lesson module. If you have any questions, make sure you text me before the due date of that first assignment. One last thing about this assignment though, the discussion questions for Amy Hempel's San Francisco, don't freak out and think that you're not going to do well in this class based on this assignment. In my opinion, this is probably one of the harder stories to read and analyze, so don't freak out if you struggle with it. Just do your best and answer them as fully as possible, and then you can read the answers after the assignment is due.